Bum, ba-da-ba.
Well, she has the fashion finds that'll have you looking Gossip Girl gorgeous without paying the big Hollywood price tags. Chrissy Burns here to show us how to save on style. And I'm telling you what, girl, in this economy, it is all about saving.
That is for sure. I mean, everyone is really dealing with some hard times. And, you know, we're also talking a lot about going green and that type of thing. So using fashions that are actually consignment type fashions and gently worn fashions is a good way for you to go green with your fashion as well.
I think that's wonderful. My sister got married about 9 years ago, went to a consignment store, found a wedding dress, $150, tailored, and I mean, you can't
Perfect,
beat that.
probably,
you
right?
You can't beat that.
Right, you can't beat that. And that's what we're trying to do today. We're going to take the hot looks that celebrities are wearing right now and show you how you can do it for under $100 head to toe. That's what we have today.
Well, Gossip Girls, I mean, it's a show right here on the CW.
We love it. Monday night.
Oh my gosh, we're glued to the set, and you know, meow. There's some, you know, good stuff on there. And Blake Lively, I mean, one of the stars of the show, she has got a very hot look.
She does. She has a really fantastic style, and she's rocking one of the super hot trends this fall season, and it's the crop jacket. It works great, especially in our city, because you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with dress pants. You can actually also put it with a dress, a cocktail dress. The crop jacket is a big look right now. So that's a look I've brought you here today. This is Andrea, and she's wearing the crop jacket look. We went in for more the dark tones here, but still with the Gossip Girl flair with all the beautiful accessories. We have a nice big giant ring on her finger there. We like to go bold with the accessories when you're doing a really classic look like this. So we add this great hat. We also add these fabulous shoes down here. They sort of are kind of a reflection on the saddle shoe, but a much more modern, hip twist to it. But this is a really great fall winter look with this little crop jacket, because you can put your big trench over it. When you get into the place you're going, take that off, and you're still warm, but you look really cute and stylish.
Okay, so from head to toe, you said this is under $100.
Under $100. This entire outfit costs $90.34 over at Act 2. $90.34, and that's everything, including, you know, the shoes, the jacket, the shirt underneath, both necklaces, the scarf, the hat. I mean, this is a lot of pieces she has going here.
That is really nice.
Really, excellent price points for sure.
One thing, I know that Blake Lively, she's very long-waisted, and she's a beautiful tall girl. Do you feel like you have to be long-waisted and tall to wear those crop jackets?
No, I think you really have to be careful of the crop, where the stance lies on the jacket, where the button comes together under the bust. You definitely don't want it too much higher than your natural waistline, and you do want to wear something under it that is longer. That way you can elongate the look, your look.
Wonderful.
So definitely.
Okay,
all right.
This is a great look too. Another girl from our show.
Yes, another Gossip Girl. This is Leighton, and she rocks the art print dress. This is a hot look right now. A lot of the celebrities are going for this because it's a way to go bold and graphic with your main piece of clothing, and then a little more minimalist with the accessories.
I'm sorry, couldn't you have shown us a leggy model? Darn it, darn it.
So here we have Darcy wearing the art print dress, and I'm sort of taking a little bit more of a winter take here, so we give her a little bit longer sleeve, but with the nice solid belt there. We give her a nice solid shoe, a great hat with a tiny little pop of color on it. That way the emphasis really is on the great art pattern of the dress, wearable art.
Hey, Chrissy, talk to me about the belt being high-waisted.
Well, on this particular model especially, I think it really works for her because you bring the look up to the face and it makes her legs look even longer and even leaner. This works for a lot of women, actually. It really helps to sort of mask curves in the hip area, which is not really something she needs to do, but it's something that it does help do if the fabric kind of floats away from the body as it comes down. So if we belt it up high, sort of gives you a longer, leaner look. And this head-to-toe look here is only, are you ready for this one?
I'm sitting down.
$53.94. Head-to-toe, including the hat, the belt, and the shoes, and this fabulous dress.
That is great. We've got 2 minutes, and I don't want to run out of time because we've got some
not.
gorgeous models to come out with.
Let's see. Okay, so here we have the rocker look. We have Anne Hathaway on the screen rocking this look. It's going across, it's spreading across the celebrity scene. Rihanna, Anne Hathaway. So here I'm having Zasha do the same look. She's wearing a fabulous Paris Hilton dress here, really flashy and stylish. She's doing two trends at once, the rocker trend and the metallic trend all at once. It's great for a night on the town. Very, very sexy ooh la la look. And nice little pocket detailing. And we funk up this look, make it a little more rocker with these seriously rockin' boots.
I love the
zippers and the
buckles on
buckles.
those.
So this head-to-toe look, including earrings, boots, everything, $69.45. So that's our rocker look, and that's Zasha.
Great. 69 bucks.
Do you believe it?
That's really
Head to toe,
good.
including those amazing boots. All right, so another trend that's big this fall is the fall floral. Now, florals usually reserved for spring, right? But this year, they're real big in the fall. So we're finding great fall ways to add that into your wardrobe. So here, there on the screen, you saw a montage. But here, we actually have an actual practical way you could apply it right now. So you put your floral, this is a Diane von Furstenberg top, floral top with the skinny jean, fabulous taupe shoe with the bow detailing, and this amazing purple trench here.
Hit me with the price tag, girl. Hit
Okay,
me.
you ready?
Yeah.
$90.73.
Okay,
that's it. This great coat is only $40. Do you believe it?
Still have $10 left for some good Starbucks.
Exactly. Okay, so we have one last look for you here today, and this is the metallic lace trend. There's a big femininity trend going on right now, ultra feminine looks. So the metallic with the lace, and actually I found a dress that's very similar to the one you just saw on your screen. Here we have it on Gia. So she's rocking this look. It's very classy, but the way we modernize a look like this is adding some funky details. This nice chunky bracelet she's wearing, nice big cuff bracelet. We also have a nice bold necklace and this high boot as well. So you sex up the look and it looks really fabulous. And this look is really great for a budget, $46.50 head to toe look here on Gia.
$46.50.
Yes, so Act 2 definitely has the deals to be able to go green with your fashion and to get the look, the main looks that are out there for much less.
Chrissy, thank you so much. Hey, get your act together. Act 2, it's out in La Mesa. There's their phone number and the website. And you know what? Great places to check out. You don't always have to buy retail. I never do. And this is a great way to stay in fashion and have a nice look for less.
An excellent way for the holidays, too. Excellent way to get something great for everybody on your list as well.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Good to have
Happy
you.
I'm here.
Yeah. All right, well, San Diego has lots of spots to take great photos, of course, but we're going to show you how to snag a snapshot that is worth framing. Plus, we're horsing around at one of the only places you can saddle up and ride to the beach. We're back right after this.